You can use a map chart to compare values and show categories across geographical regions. Use it when you have geographical regions in your data like countries, states, or postal codes. This worksheet has data related to the population of 4 countries. Excel automatically senses that this is map data and allows you to quickly create a map chart. On the Insert tab in the Charts group, select Maps and click the icon under Filled Map. A map chart appears showing the countries with a higher population in dark shades and the ones with a lower population in lighter shades. Like other charts, you can format the map chart as desired. Let's change the title and then change the background color.